guys, Mickey of Knob Cartel, back with another kick-ass beer review. Today I'm going to review the Two Birds Brewing Company New England IPA, Tang can. 1.8 standard drinks, 6% ABV, and it's 375ml can. These guys hail out of Spotswood, Victoria. Can statement goes, we nearly called this Tang can because we took our sweet time letting a New England IPA fly. But the chew won out, and how could it not with this bruised juicy haze? Cloudy, big on fruit and heavy on the hops, we reckon Tang can is worth making a ruckus about just quietly. Want more brew Tang cans? Check out our Sunday's Sipper, Summer Ale and Fruit Tang can, Tropical Sour. So they bring out a 3-can series in different styles of beers. This one is their New England IPA. Did a bit of a play on words there with Wu-Tang Clan. Crack this one open, see how it goes. Plenty of fruit there. You can smell it coming from the can already. Nice aggressive pour on this one. Colour's beautiful, nice colour. Not super hazy, not super chunky and thick like a lot of the New England IPAs coming out now. Enjoying this one in the media or Noel glass. That colour is on point, so what you're seeing on camera there is what I'm seeing right in front of me at the moment. It's light on the colour for what it is, like I mentioned. It is sort of light on the aroma too for what it is, like I mentioned. In particular, a cross-reference with the beer from got a mental blank again. It'll come to me. Thunder Road Brewing's new release Exotica 3 was quite light as well, so I'm expecting the sort of the same lightness from this particular beer. Told you it'd come to me. Settled down a little bit, not much of a head there, but half a finger, definitely holding some good carbonation there for what it is. Just going to give this a swirl. See if that makes any difference. Yeah, we've got some chunkies in there now. Okay, so that's changed the colour of it dramatically. I'm hoping there's a bit more flavour in the bottom of that can. Yep, so it's bringing out more of the the orange and etc. It's very light for the style. It's very carbonated, sort of a more of a spritzy New England IPA. I'm going to go out on a limb and actually say I quite enjoyed the Thunder Road much more, of the Exotica 3 much more than this one here. It's still a nice warm summer's day, spring day I should say. Nice warm sipper, warm day sipper. And definitely lacking in that flavour department. Looks bloody nice. Looked nice before I added the bottom of the can. What gave it away is probably lacking flavour would have been the very light aroma coming from this particular beer. It's not the freshest can, but for what it is, I still expected it to still expect it to have a lot more flavour. It's not oxidised in any way. It's not got that sort of grassy aroma or flavour to it. Honestly, just think it's that beer. It might have had a little bit more fruitiness and flavour to it when it was a lot younger, but he's saying that quite possibly we've had some fade go on in that beer. So once again, I am reviewing a lot of beers from the bargain bins, just to see how well some of them carry. Still an enjoyable beer, but just slightly lacking. So we can put it down to the age of the can. We can also put it down to it was just a beer made on that lighter style of the New England IPA. Cheers.